Hello and welcome to E Prime. I'm Crystal. Lily of the Valley is riding high on the Reggae Billboard albums chart. The recently released project from reggae artist Jesse Royal remains this week in the #1 spot after selling roughly 2,000 copies since its release. Damian Marley remains in the #2 spot with Stony Hill, and Sizzla returns to the top 10 at #4 with I'm Yours. Chronology fell 2 places this week and now sits in the #7 spot. Dancehall artist Kaleido has joined forces with Twin of Twins for the release of his latest project titled Broke Foreigner.
Me not par with no broke foreigner. You come a yard on a iPad. Nothing see your phone, ring your madam go bypass something. Broke foreigner, I look somebody lean pan. Knock a Leland.
The music video, produced by Takeover Records, is presented as a short film which features the twin entertainers and is directed and edited by Extreme Arts. He shares details on the project.
I always want to bring across my music video creatively and different, that it connect with the people so much like you're watching a movie. This concept was brought and think of by me, and the script was done by mostly done by Twins of Twins also, and Extreme same way.
He also clears the air about numerous misconceptions circulating about the video.
It's a harsh reality because I just speak the fact. Regardless, critics trying to say, oh, Kaleido, you this and you that, but it's a song speaking fact. I'm not singing about me. You understand? I'm singing about what's happening in today's world.
Kaleido also gave an update on his musical portfolio.
I'm working on a one-drop EP with Bobby Digital, and I'm also working on an Afro EP. Then I'm gonna plan the dancehall EP to show them how versatile Kaleido is. The fans them can expect good material. Just listen to Kaleido, pay attention, because my style is pun, wordplay, good music, quality videos.
Dancehall artist Devin The Doctor has now joined the roster for New York-based independent label Downtown Records. Devin joins the ranks of Major Lazer, Cold War Kids, Gnarls Barkley, Mos Def, and Electric Guest. The Grammy-nominated artist was recently featured on Electric Guest's Oh Devil single, which debuted at #47 on the Billboard Hot Rock Songs chart. Since his 2015 crowning in the Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall competition, he has continued an upward trend and is making moves to advance his musical ambitions internationally. And on the matter of moves, the Money Moves rapper Cardi B is teaming up with the Queen Bee for another high-profile collaboration. Cardi B's engineer Ashby took to Instagram yesterday to share a photo of the song File, bearing the caption, "Wow, this feature is big." While there are no additional details shared on the Cardi B Beyonce collaboration, Ashby's post was enough to send Cardi B fans and the Beehive into a frenzy. And that's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.